Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the materials and the very first stitches. Hold black yarn and make a magic ring. It gives a neat, closed base. Then crochet 6 single crochets into the ring and pull the tail to close. This forms the penguin's bottom. Once done, insert a stitch marker at the first stitch so you don't lose place while working continuous rounds. Make sure to keep tension even. Consistent tension prevents gaps when you increase in the next step. Now you shape the torso and head with increases and then decreases. First increase rounds, go from 6 to 12 to 18 SC to create a rounded base, then work even rounds for body height. These ensure a smooth silhouette. When you reach the front, switch to white yarn and crochet in front loops to make a neat belly panel. This keeps color crisp. As you approach the head, start decreasing. Stuff a little fiber fill between rounds to preserve shape. Make sure to finish by adding facial features, attaching the keyring and securing ends. First, embroider or attach safety eyes, then sew a small orange beak and 2 feet. These give character and balance. Close the head with decreasing rounds, but leave a short tail to form a reinforced loop for the keyring. Thread the keyring through and tighten. Once attached, weave in all ends and trim. If the keyring pulls through, reinforce by stitching a small patch over the loop. This prevents the loop from enlarging and the penguin from detaching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.